Hi everybody. Today I thought I'd share 2 tips with you guys from inside your BMW. Have you ever needed access to your wiper blades? The way to do that is with the engine off, you would come over here to your windshield wiper lever, pull it down, and after a few cycles you'll see that the blades stop midway through the cycle, giving you access to those wiper blades. Second tip I wanted to show you has to do with your sun visor. In the times where you need to pull them over to your side, you can actually extend that for better coverage by simply pulling it back towards the rear. Thank you for watching our video today. Please submit any comments or questions below. Give us a like and subscribe to our channel. And as always, we'd love to see you here at our dealership, BMW of Myrtle Beach.